So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have a Samsung smartphone and if you have a older version of Android or a newer version of Android in this your smartphone like Android 15, 16, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this video is especially for you because of that. If you forget your Gmail ID account details after successful hard reset your smartphone, and when you configure your smartphone, your phone will asking to enter your PIN, pad and password lock, and then after your phone will asking to enter your Gmail ID account detail, but you forget this. So in this video I can show you how can you unlock your smartphone without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. In just 5 minutes you can unlock your smartphone by using this service center offline method. So you have to only follow all these methods one by one into your smartphone, and then after your smartphone will unlock by using this method. So let's start the video first. You can see here this is the latest version of Android 15 and 16. So if you have already older version of Android, so this method will work 100%. Okay. So first of all, my friend, you have to tap some few times on the screen like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have to wait for a single while, and after that you can see here this phone will asking to enter your PIN, pad and password lock, but you don't try this if you forget this. Okay, you have to only apply for 5 times randomly, and then after when your timer is opened, you have to click this use my Google account instead. Okay, after that your phone will again asking to enter your Gmail ID account detail, but don't worry at all. You have to only go back, and here when you comes in this Wi-Fi page, you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot first, and then after you have to click this add new network option here, and then after, my friend, you have to find this small setting icon, so you have to click this to open, and then and when this page comes, you have to go down and find the layout section. Okay, click these alternative characters to turn on, go back and go down and find www.com and click to turn on. This is very important. So go back and go up upper section and find the first option, languages and types. So you have to click to open this, and here you have to find the second option, manage input languages. So click here to open this, and when this page comes, you have to find the English, United States and United Kingdom. So you have to turn on this, and accept all you have to turn off. Go back, go upper section on the screen and find these 3 dots. Click here, click check for updates and wait for a while. After that, when this update comes, you have to click to update the installation. When this updates install into your mobile, so go back. And here, my friend, you have to take some very important step here. Find suggest text corrections option here and open this. Okay, you got this manage apps, so you have to click this, and you can see here there are lots of applications here. Okay, so you have to first of all turn on and turn off this all available apps. When one time done, go down, find Samsung Max VPN option, and you have to turn off this, and this is very important to us for this issue. So go back and find the next option is more typing option. Okay, here you have to turn off the last both options. Okay, go back to the main screen, means home page, and here you have to again change your language in this page also. So you have to go to the language section and find English, United States, and you know very well the Google is from United States, so you have to do the same thing, means you have to select the same location and click OK. Done. Okay, and then you have to open this emergency call option here, and here you have to enter a very unique service center code here, and the code is *#0*#, and done. Your Samsung smartphone is going to a new page, and this screen very important. For this, you have to find a very unique option here, like called the sensor option. So you have to find this and click to open this, and you can see that there are lots of sensors are synchronizing, so you have to wait for 2 to 5 seconds, and then 5 seconds completed, go back to the main screen, and now you have to configuration your smartphone as usual. So click the start button here, click agree. You have to only select the setup manually option. Ensure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and connect to the internet. After that, you have to click the next button here and wait for the result. And done, my friend, your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked. Now you can see here a small skip message, means this method is very effectively removed your issue from your smartphone. You have to only follow all these methods one by one into your Samsung smartphone, and then after your smartphone will unlock. Okay, so you have to click only this skip message, skip again, and done. Click don't copy here, and all done. Your smartphone is completely unlocked. Now if you have any queries regarding this method, so comment us your specific Samsung model name, then after our team will reply very soon. Okay, you can choose a new type of pin pattern password lock here, and you have to choose. Okay, then after go further action, click accept, and here click OK. You have to comment us your specific model name. Our team will reach you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any Samsung smartphone at your home. So before commenting, subscribe our YouTube channel. This is very important for us, and you know very well. If you subscribe our YouTube channel, then after our team will reply you within 5 to 10 minutes. So comment us your specific Samsung model name, and you can see here this Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked. Now click home and select your preferred setting as given. Select your preferred language, preferred settings, continue, and wait for a while to completely unlock your smartphone like that. And now, my friend, you can see here this Samsung smartphone is open now by using this service center offline method. This is very easy and effective, so you have to only follow all these methods. Okay, and now you can sign in with the new Gmail ID account credential. So if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.